Hey guys, my name is Ash and welcome back to another video. Now, if you've been in the industry for a while, you will know how popular flashes such as the V1 or the V1 Pro are, especially amongst event photographers. Now, while it's more than capable of getting you fantastic shots in almost any situation, there are times where you just need a little bit extra power, and that is where this guy comes in, and that is the Godox V100. Now, it's a 100-watt second flash that packs all the same cool features as your V1 and V1 Pro, but just a bit better as it has more modern tech and a touchscreen. So let's open this up and see what we have here. The V100 is a round-head flash that offers an extremely impressive 100 watt seconds of power, which is more than enough for almost any type of shoot. Wedding, event and fashion photographers will love this powerhouse as you don't need to carry additional lights with you. Included is a flash stand, and here we have the VB30 battery. It offers up to 400 full power flashes and has a recycling time of 1.7 seconds. It can be charged via USB-C without having to remove the battery. The V100 features a mini sub-flash which is used as a fill light. It is rather useful, especially when bouncing light off a ceiling or a wall. The flash comes in this high quality carry pouch so you can keep it free from scratches. And here is the beauty, the V100 flash. The V100 is also compatible with the PB960 battery pack, which is sold separately. This allows you to be powered and continue shooting all day long. We get a 2-watt LED modeling lamp, which is extremely useful, especially when shooting in low light conditions. The V100 features a 2.3-inch colored touchscreen. It is responsive, has no lag, and the menu system is extremely simple and easy to use. We do get a screen lock option so you can lock your settings in place without having it changed by accident. With the 2.4 GHz wireless system, this flash works as both a sender and receiver. You can trigger the flash off camera via Godox trigger or use the flash to trigger other wireless Godox flashes. This flash works with all existing round head light modifiers and accessories, including magnetic accessories. In some regions across the globe, a magnetic ring is provided separately. And that brings about a quick end to this video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep creating and see you soon.